Hey guys, let's go get some breakfast. My breakfast this morning, guys, a little bit something other than what you would expect. So one of the things they bring you here at the Arcade Riverside Resort and Spa is they bring you a salad with your breakfast. And I've not been to many places where they actually give you a salad with breakfast, but I tell you what, it's a great idea. And not only that, but the dressing that they have here is just fantastic dressing. So what I got for breakfast this morning is chicken Pad Krapow. And it's a dish with minced chicken, Thai basil, Thai chilies, soy sauce, fish sauce. But like I said, not what you would expect for breakfast, but still very, very good. And if you did want to make this at home, just make sure you use the Thai basil. Well, that was a great breakfast. Pad Krapow, which actually is a little bit more traditional Thai food than even Pad Thai. So anyhow, guys, try something new for breakfast. You're gonna like it. And stay tuned for the next video.